Hello, welcome back to Math Wizard. Today I'm here with a math trick which is for finding the square of any two-digit numbers. I know squares of numbers from 1 to 10 is easy for you, and maybe numbers less than 20 also is easier for some of the students to memorize. For example, 13 square which is 169, 18 square is 324, 15 square which is 225, etc. These you can memorize easily, right? But we will check another example. What's 24 square? Maybe most of you cannot answer this easily, right? And you need to multiply this one by using the standard form. So here I will show you an easy trick for finding this. Okay, we can start from lower number. For example, 13 square. For this, first you need to find the square of the digit in one's position. What's the digit in one's position in this example? 3, right? So 3 square is 9. Then next you have to multiply the digits of the number with one another. Here the digits are 1 and 3. So multiply 1 and 3, which is 1 times 3 is 3. Then double that number, means multiply by 2. So 3 times 2 or 3 plus 3, which is 6. Write that. Then now the last step is find the square of the digit in tens place. Here, what's the digit in tens place? 1, right? So 1 square is 1. Okay? So our answer is 169, right? So 13 square is 169. Okay? Let's check another example. 32 square. First find 2 square, which is 4. Then multiply the digits 3 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6, right? Now double the number, so 6 times 2 or 6 plus 6 is 12. For this, I will write only 2 here and keep 1 aside. Next find 3 square, which is 9. Then 1 balance here, so add that 1 with 9, so it become 10. So the answer is 1024, means 32 square is equal to 1024. More example, 74 square. First find 4 square, which is 16. Write only 6 here, keep 1 aside. Then multiply the digits 7 and 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Double of 28 is 56. We have 1 balance before, so 56 plus 1 is 57. Write 7 here and keep 5 as carry. Then find 7 square, which is 49 plus 5 is 54. The final answer is 5476. So 74 square is 5476. Easy, right? This way you can find the square of any two-digit numbers easily. Hope you understand the tricks, and if you think this video is helpful for you, please like and share the video. Also, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification for my next uploading videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time with another video. Bye bye.